I just gotta go put the car up, pull the engine now, and then, well, move, bitch. So over here we have some of the, or most of the parts that we need for the swap. I'm using an O2X trans from a A4, so I'm going to need a trans mount, and I chose to use a AWE drivetrain stabilizer, B6S4 brakes that will go on the car eventually, O2X mount, pedal box from a B5S4. I think that's it from this corner. There's a USP metal slave and clutch alignment. Somewhere over here there's a flywheel, clutch, and my trans. This is the O2X shifter box, and then this is from a 5-speed B5, and these boxes are different, but these will mount in these little shift forks. So that's that, and then my 2.7T spacer, and just miscellaneous things.